Are you taking it with the seriousness it deserves?
Yes, and that's why I'm here. I've been here since last year.
But you confirm that you are giving us a story, yes?
I'm not giving you a story. It's stated in my statement.
So you stand by your statement?
Yes, as I wrote it and signed.
Did you see, and whom are you to testify against here?
Only one Kuria Kariko.
Kuria Kariko.
I only know him.
Get hold of your charge sheet.
Yes. What?
Get hold of the charge sheet.
I don't have the charge sheet.
The charge sheet. Counsel, take him to the page where the accused persons are listed. Counsel, you're only perusing the file for him, sorry, and opening that page. Can you see this page?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes?
I am seeing it.
Are you seeing that those are the names of the accused persons?
I've seen a lot. So many here.
I'm asking you, and you answer my questions as put, not as you want them to be. Have you seen that that's a list of the accused persons, Chief?
Yeah, it is a list.
Yes? Yes. Can you see the second column? The first and the second column? The first column bears the first name, the second column bears the surname or the father's name, yes?
Yes.
Identify for us Mr. Kuria Kariko. With the accused, tell us he's accused number what? Mr. Kuria Kariko.
Kariko.
I'm asking about Mr. Kuria Kariko. Is that not what you're testifying against?
Yeah, it is.
Please identify for us.
Kuria Kariko.
Yes, in the charge sheet. Not there, in the charge sheet.
Charge sheet is...
Is he there or is not there, Mr. Chief? I'm asking a simple question now. You can stop looking at it and answer my question.
He's not here.
He's not here.
Yes.
So the story you've come here to testify is about people who are not even before this court, yes? Excuse me, Chief, you can keep it off now.
Oh, okay.
And hold your statement. You've come here to give us a story of a person who is not even before this court, yes?
No, as per my statement.
I'm not asking about your statement. I'm asking about the charge sheet which has commenced this trial.
Okay, I was not...
You are testifying against a person who is not even before this court, yes?
Excuse me.
I will not excuse you. Don't seek for my indulgence.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, the advocate should allow the witness to answer questions.
I will do that. You are here to testify against a person who is not before this court, yes or no?
He's here.
Look at the charge sheet and identify that person. Again, if you want us to waste that time.
He's here.
Look at do you know how a criminal case is commenced?
Yes.
Do you know how a criminal case is commenced?
No.
I put it to you, or rather educate you, that the document called a charge sheet is the one that commences a criminal trial. You agree with me?
Yes, I agree.
And that the charge sheet bears all the details and the names and the particulars of the accused person, yes?
Yes.
And that you are therefore here to testify against one Kuria Kariko, yes?
Yes.
And that is not indicated in that particular charge sheet, yes? You don't find his name in it, yes?
There is only one name, Kariko.
Answer me. You do not find his name in that particular charge sheet.
It is there.
Wait, which one is it?
Kariko. There is Kariko.
Where is Kariko? Read all the names of those accused persons. I'll give you that latitude.
From the top?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I have Maina.
That's the first accused person, yes.
Kamunya.
Yes. The second accused person,
Mondi Shege.
yes.
Then Mugwe Njoroge.
Yes.
Simon Muigai Mathu.
Yes.
Then Kuria Kariku.
Kuria
Kariku.
Kariku.
Yes.
That's Kuria Kariku is the same as person as Kuria Kariko.
Kuria Kariku from Kihingo.
I'm not asking where he's from. The question of where he's from is not in trial in these proceedings.
Okay.
I'm asking about the identification as it appears in his ID. Is that the person you're testifying against, Kuria Kariku?
No, he's Kuria Kariku.
I'm asking, you are testifying against Kuria Kariku or Kuria Kareko?
Kuria Kariko.
Oh, thank you. Chief, when I tell you that you're not taking this matter seriously and that you think we're in a public baraza here, do you therefore agree with me?
No, I don't.
Chief, who was the first person to declare the emergence of Mungiki in this country?
I don't know.
Are you aware that one Mr. Rigathi Gachagua did declare the emergence of
Aaron, I
Mungiki?
object.
Okay.
Irrelevant.
You will not object my questions.
Irrelevant
You
question.
don't know the relevance. Raise the substantive objection, I respond on that particular issue, Counsel.
Aaron, I object to the question being asked.
Yes, Your Honor. Do you know that Mr. Rigathi Gachagua was the first person who declared the emergence of Mungiki?
I don't know.
You do not know.
Yes.
Do you work in the administrative organ of government as a chief, correct?
Correct.
And you're not aware that Mr. Rigathi Gachagua declared the emergence of Mungiki?
I'm not.
Let me ask you, Chief. Do you know how many witnesses have testified before you?
No, I don't.
I put it to you that you are the 9th witness lined up by the state to testify against this case. Yes? Are you aware that there is no civilian who has taken that stand to testify against the accused persons?
I'm not aware.
Are you now aware? I've now made you aware.
Okay.
That's only the police officers, Nyumba Kumi, and chiefs like you who've come to testify against the accused persons. Do you find anything unique about that?
No.
You don't find anything unique about that? So there is no civilian in the Republic of Kenya, 50 million of us, who can come and testify against these individuals. It's only the provincial administration and the police. Yes?
I'm aware now.
You're aware. Anything unique? That no civilian is coming to say, I'm a member of Mungiki.
I can't say there's something unique, but circumstances differ.
Circumstances differ.
Yes.
That's only the provincial administration and the police who knows the emergence of Mungiki. Those are the circumstances? Or which circumstances are you addressing in this case?
Because
Which circumstances are you addressing? Just address me on the question of the circumstances that makes this case unique.
I am from Joro,
Which circumstances are you addressing? I am not interested where you come from.
and that's why I'm starting the statement.
Yes? Go on.
I am from Joro for the sub-county from other areas.
So what is a unique circumstance that makes it only fit for the police and the provincial administration to testify against the accused person? That's the circumstance I want you to address.
Because me, I'm from Joro.
Not where you're from. I'm not interested where you come
I don't know
from.
the rest where they come from.
Yes. I have told you that anybody testifying in this case is either a police officer or a chief.
And I said I don't know the others.
And I am now telling you, and watch a ujanja, chief.
Say Ujanja, I'm answering
Chief.
the question that you asked.
Chief, answer my question.
And I am answering.
And you reduce the talking and listen to the question carefully.
And you should listen to me. Yes, sir. No, sorry. Sorry, Lorna.
Chief,
Apologies.
For the question. Apologies for the question. Just one the question is asked. Let's not spend a lot of time.
My apologies. My apologies.
Chief, I want you to address the unique circumstances that makes it convenient for the provincial administration and the police to be the only witnesses who have now so far been lined up.
What is provincial administration? I'm not understanding that name, provincial administration. Who are those?
Chief, which organ of state do you work under?
National Government Administration Officers, not provincial administration.
Chief, what is unique in this case between the office that you work for, that they are the only lined up witnesses, and the police? You don't know the unique circumstances. I put it to you that the reason why it's only the provincial administrations and the police that have been lined up to testify in this case is because you are perpetuating the concussion and the concocted lies by one Rigathi Gachagua that there is an emergence of Mungiki and therefore you have to come and support your boss. Yes?
That, no.
Yes?
No.
It's not true. I therefore put it to you that if that is not the case, you are then actuated by personal vendetta, malice, and will ill for the accused persons. Yes?
Accused persons or accused persons?
Excuse me, don't ask me questions, answer questions.
Then come again.
I put it to you that all what has actuated you, if it's not in defense of one Mr. Rigathi Gachagua and the support of the concocted theory of the emergence of Mungiki, you are doing it because of the ill will, malice, and ill feeling for the accused persons.
I even don't know the accused persons, so that is incorrect.
Are you aware that last year there is one chief from the sublocation from sublocation of Gedioro testified before this case, before this court? Are you aware?
I am aware.
Do you know his name?
No.
Do you know he testified?
I know he's testified by
as PW4?
Yes.
As PW4.
What is that?
Do you know that he testified and said that the only thing that he knows about Mungiki is that they circumcise women?
Maybe that is according to...
Do you know that
I don't know.
I have now put it to you. Is that your position now?
I don't know.
Is that your position? That
No.
Mungiki circumcises
No.
women? Yes?
No.
So how would you describe Mungiki generally?
I said I don't know Mungiki.
You don't know Mungiki?
Yes.
Is there Mungiki in your location?
No.
So when the prosecutor says and brings and says that there were paraphernalia that were used by Mungiki, is therefore not speaking the truth, correct?
Yes, come again.
When the prosecutor comes, could you have the items done, the exhibits? You know, prosecutor, you're still keeping the exhibits in the bags. You don't want them exposed today? When he comes to those items, can you see those items?
Yeah, I can see them on my left.
Unfortunately, we're not able to see, Your Honor, what they are because the IO has not arranged them. So you cannot associate those items with a group called Mungiki.
I cannot.
Neither can you say that Mr. Kariuki Kireko, whom you are testifying against, is a Mungiki member because he uses a walking stick.
No, I cannot say that.
Neither can you ever say that you ever saw him practicing any element of being a Mungiki member.
I've never seen him.
And therefore there is no emergence of Mungiki as alleged, yes?
To my understanding, I don't know that.
What do you mean to your understanding? There is emergence or there is no emergence?
To me, there is no emergence.
Thank you. No further questions.
Your Honor, that will be there. That will be.